Is Python is really slow, or it's just a misunderstanding? What do you think about Python? But on my opinion, I can say that Python is not slower as people think, as people warn that Python should be more faster than Java. But people think that Python is more slower because they think that Python is an interpreter language. It works with the dynamic data types, and it compiles with C and Java. That's why Python is slow. Maybe, but people don't know much. They don't know about the PyPy system. They don't know about the C Python. They maybe don't know about the pandas, NumPy, TensorFlow, Django, Flask. That's why people say that Python is more slower than others. Like, right? Okay, so you can make your code more faster than any others language. How? That's the interesting point. You can use PyPy. PyPy use the JIT system. JIT, do you know what is JIT system? JIT means just in time. It compile your code just in time. That's why it works on PyPy. It's work very smoothly and very much faster. It's a topic. Then suppose you were working with the lots of data, lots of images, right? That time, if you use vanilla python list, and then tuples and dictionary, then it's true that it will work slowly compared to other languages. It will work slowly, but you should know about the numpy pandas. If you use numpy on the big data, if you use pandas on data visualization, then it will work more faster, you know. And if you don't know about the numpy is the more easiest language, and it make all the queries of Python very smoothly, very easier. That's why people try to use numpy if they know about the numpy. It's a big topic. And if you know about the pandas is also work with the data visualization, data manipulation. And the time people use if people try to use the pandas, so you should work with this. If you use Django, Flask, fast api is also more faster than any other frameworks. Django is more secured and more faster than Laravel and PHP also. So you can say that directly, you can say that Python is slow compared to other languages. It's not quite true, but you should, first of all, you should need to know that how to use Python properly, and how to use all the libraries properly. Then you can use it. You can use the Python's full quality. Okay, so first of all, know that how to make your code more faster, then implement that techniques on Python, and I know that you will be satisfied like me. Thank you.